Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to delete column in Google Sheet. So let's start. This is my Google Sheet and here you can see I have a data. In this data I have some blank column. Okay, so to delete the blank column, simply select it column and right click of the mouse and click on the delete column option. And if you want to delete the multiple column, simply select the first column. Okay, then press the control key, then select the second column and third column. Okay, then go to the edit tab. Click on the delete option and here select the second option, selected column. It's been delete the selected column. Just click on it and that's it. Here can we see the selected blank column is deleted. Okay. And the second way you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I just enter here the number. I select the first column. Okay. Then I press the shift key and select the last one, column number 5. Okay. And you can see the all column is selected. Okay, now if you want to delete, just go to the edit, same as click on the delete, and here you can see the selected column H2L will delete when you click on this option. Just click on it and that's it. You can see the all selected column is deleted. Okay. So this is a way you can delete the column in Google Sheet. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.